So this is how we try for mass communication now again with another video. In this we're going to show you how to install second WhatsApp for your iPhone 15, 15 Plus, Pro and Max or any other version of Apple device. I already have one WhatsApp here. This is here. And I need one more. Very simple. This is legal. You can do anytime. Here, go to App Store. For downloading anything from App Store, you need an Apple ID. If you don't have, check my video, check the video description. Here, type WhatsApp in the searching option. So the first WhatsApp we have, it says open. Here another option, we have WhatsApp Business. So WhatsApp Business is easy way to have second WhatsApp without any illegal procedure. I hit this one to download. Okay, here it says open button. You can open from here. Here you see WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp Common. Hit this WhatsApp Business. Hit agree and continue. Now you have to allow them to notification and use your phone number to set up this one. In this case, you can use 2 WhatsApp in your iPhone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.